Hi friends, I'm Aiza.
And I'm Nordik. In the last video, we learned to write the printed letter I.
And today we will teach you to write the letter I in cursive.
Look! Here is the printed I.
Wow, and here's the cursive I. Printed and cursive letters look different, but they sound the same, I.
Hey Aiza, let's play a game. Guess the word that starts with the cursive letter I.
What could it be? Iguana? Ice cream? Ice rink?
Ta-ta! It's ice cream.
Yay! Ice cream starts with the cursive I.
Let's write the capital cursive letter I.
Start in the middle. Make a small curved line to the right. Go up, up, up. Draw a tall loop that touches the top line. Curve to the left, slide down. Finish with a little tail to join the next letter. Let's repeat. Curve to the right. Up we go. Make a big loop, then down you go. Curve to the right. Up we go. Make a big loop, then down you go.
Good job. Now the small letter I.
Start in the middle. Make a short upward stroke. Slide down. Curve to the right, ending in the middle with a tail. Don't forget the dot. Place a small dot above the letter.
Let's repeat.
Up a bit, then down you go. Curve it, dot it. Now you know. Up a bit, then down you go. Curve it, dot it, now you know.
We're so proud of you. You did great.
Link to the coloring page and worksheets under this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you'll be the first to see the next letter.
And hit that button.
See you next time, friend. Big fluffy hugs from us.